Glorious morning to TCH's parents, teachers, and children. So here, I just want to say that teamwork makes dream work. In order to achieve your children dreams, we are a team. You know how many of them are there in the team? Teachers and children, especially parents. So parents, teachers, children, all three of them will achieve the dream of your children. Okay, so here the potential within you is greater than the obstacles around you. Not only around you, even us. The obstacles now, whatever we are facing, the difficult times, the stumbling blocks are none other than the failures or the difficult times. That is very less when compared to the potential within us. We have to achieve something in our life, so that potentiality should be more and greater when compared to the obstacles which we are facing now. So I'm very happy that all the parents are having a very good potential in order to make your children dreams achieve. So here you're having a few doubts on how the online assessment is going on. For that, I'm just giving you a small video explanation on how the online assessment will go on. Till now, what we have done, your cooperation made us to achieve those all things. So for that, I just want to share the screen. Yeah, this is the screen which I'm going to share you. The Coleraine High School, how to do an online assessment. For that, we are going to see the screen. Parents, here the days which we are passing through, it's unpredictable days. You never know how the days will be and what is going to be coming next. We cannot even think about that. So just we should not be comfortable with what we are having, or we should not be comfortable with what the things are making us. We should just adapt to the change, and we should make our students, our children, to adapt according to that. So always we should be ready for the change. So that's the reason from our teachers, this thank you to all the parents who had cooperated with us and who made our days very easy. Otherwise, without you, we are nowhere. So parents are the first to us. For parents from our team, this is a small photograph that mentioning you thank you. This is from all our teachers. And also TCHS management, we are thanking you for the cooperation which you have given till now. So education is not the learning of facts, but it's a training of the mind to think in a right way. So we are the teachers who are trying our best to train your children of their mind to think in a right way. And I'm thankful to each and every parent as a principal who allowed us to take the initiation of online and offline classes to fulfill the learning gap of your children. Of course, these online and offline classes are not substituting the regular studies, but at least they will fill the gap which is gone through these 4 months. So now we are here to assess. I hope that all the students are going through the offline videos and also attending the online classes, and till now what they have understood, the little portion which we have given. See, we have taken whole month to explain a little lesson, one lesson explanation we have done, and we are going to see how the explanation has went through. Of course, day-to-day assessment was also going on. We are getting answers from children day to day. We are getting so many doubts. At first it was little difficult, but through only parents cooperation, we have just passed our difficult times. So even our teachers have given stretched their hands for the management to just learn and adapt according to the situation. They have learned the technology also. They have just gone through and doing their best in preparing your children. So now let us see how the assessment goes on and how children are going to prepare for the classes, how they have till how much they have understood the lesson. After this assessment, still we are going to follow up the things whoever not achieved good marks. So now perception of video classes and how much did they understand through these online forms. I'm assured that a parent still they cooperate with us in assessing our TCH stars. So here the online assessment form will be open. So parents, check here, as soon as we open WhatsApp on at the same time on the same day, like we have given you the dates 27, 28, 29. Each day you're going to get 2 subject links. 9 o'clock exactly you're going to get one link, and at 11 o'clock you're going to get another subject link. So when we send you the link, you can take the whole day time and answer the questions without make sure that it should not be like talking to others, or when they have opened it, it doesn't take more than 10 minutes. So for a sample form we have just taken, so this is the link, you can see the link which is given here, the Colon High School online assessment sample form which is sent in the 10th class students grade. So I'm opening the link. As soon as you get the link, you just have to click on it. That's it. Just put a click on it. Internet connection should be stable. When you open the link, then you'll get the form like this. The questions are given. See here, the Colran High School online assessment sample form. If you see here, online assessment sample form, name of the student, here you need to mention the name of the student. So here I'll take the student name Aditi. Yeah, Aditi with initial G. Then after that I'm going to read the question. So why should we eat vegetables? Here we are having 2 options, option A and option B. So I feel like because they are packed with full of minerals and because they are colorful. So I'll just put it tap. Just you have to tap here option A. If you feel like option A is correct, then you need to put option A, and otherwise if it is option B, then you have to tap on option B. Okay, see you can change them, but not both at a time. So then you are going to get the marks here itself, 1 point for one question. And second one, why should we drink milk? Because it prevents bone fractures and maintains healthy weight. Otherwise, because it makes us fair. I'll type the wrong answer. Let me check whether it is correct or not. And the next question is third one. Why should we take lemon? Because lemons are sweet. Otherwise, because lemons contain high amount of vitamin C and reduce skin diseases. So let me choose this one as right answer. Okay, because it and the next one is fourth one. From where do we get vitamin D? Yeah. So from where? Automatically, yeah, from sunlight we are going to get, because nowadays everybody is observing. And the next question is, choose a food that improves immune system. So definitely it is not junk food. It might be tulsi, egg and dry grapes, but I will select the wrong option. So how many options did I select wrong one? Because it makes us fair, and the next one is junk food. So I may lose 2 marks out of 5. Let me see. After completion of this, before tapping on submission, you can change any question. Still you have time to change the question. Again, ask children to refer the whole question paper, and then you can submit. So my answers are done, so I just want to submit it. Yeah, submission is done. Now you can see after submission, the Colon High School, your response has been recorded. View score. I just want to see how many marks did I get, because we have already fed the questions with answers. Definitely you're going to get the marks there. Let me remove myself from here. Yeah. So how many marks did I get? 3 out of 5. So parents, here out after finishing your exam online assessment, please take the mobile. I mean, if you're in the mobile, if you're taking the online assessment, take the screenshot. Take the screenshot so that it will be easy for you. So I have taken screenshot. In the same way, if you are doing it in the system PC, then you can take the mobile and take screenshot, and then you just send in the WhatsApp group to the personal windows of the respective teachers subjects. Okay. So here I got 3 out of 5, but then how children will come to know the about answers? Where did they lose marks? Let me show how they are going to learn. See, second question, why should we drink milk? The answer was wrong, because here the correct answer is also mentioned, because it prevents bone fractures and maintains healthy weight. Then where is another question which I have done wrong? If it is correct, then it will mention it in green color. If it is wrong, then it will be mentioned in red color. Choose a food that improves immune system. So tulsi, egg and dry grapes, it is the correct answer. So this is the test which we are going to take from students. So in this way you have to take the online assessment. In the next lesson test, I mean, this is online assessment 1. In online assessment 2, you may have the one word question and answers also, so that you have to just put it a tab and then you can type the answer there. So I hope that everyone has understood how to write assess the online assessment. After taking the assessment, just take the pic and send to the teachers, so the teachers will record the marks of all subjects, and we'll send to the admin. Admin will just combine all the marks and will assess you and give you a grade. Okay, fine parents, I hope everybody should be good, and good days should come to us, and we have to enjoy with our students in a regular school. I hope that days will come sooner, and take care. Bye bye. Thank you.